Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to prevent UV rays from destroying your magnet screen door. And what I did was I sewed some cotton onto this area where it always gets corroded and breaks, and then the magnets fall out all over the place. See, my back screen door, it doesn't get the sun. That south exposure to the sun just destroys this plastic, and then the magnets are out all over the ground. See? And this has happened to several of these, and so I just got tired of it, and I spent an hour sewing this cotton onto there. And I guarantee you, well, I'm not positive, but see, I sewed it really good so that it encases each one of these. Can you see that? We're losing light, it's almost dark, but it encases each magnet. And so now I didn't do it on this side, I did it on the top. I probably should have done it on this side, but I might just put some tape on there or something. And you might try some tape, but really tape that has that glue in it that's gonna just kind of melt. You might find something that won't do that, but you got to put something on top of the plastic so that it doesn't get destroyed. Now when you put whatever on there, you got to make sure that it's, you know, pretty close to the edge so that the magnets will still function. And this one, you know, this material well covers it, as you can see. It even overlaps a little bit, but the magnets still work really good. Now there's a magnet in between each one of those. There. Okay, now some of the magnets are different, and they have long magnets on one side, and so it's kind of hit or miss. Hopefully you get the right kind and you can do something with that. Okay, salvaged all the magnets out of there, and that's out of here. And I even saved those little strap things. Who knows, maybe I'll use them for something. Okay, so it's the next day and I finished the project. I trimmed off all the little loose strings that were across there, you know, and it looks really good. Also on the edges, I put some tape on that. This doesn't have any movement like this, so I think that the tape will be okay. You know, I can always just put more of that on there. I probably would be better off with stickier tape, but that'll work for now. And I put some on the bottom of that, but that pretty much protects it from the UV rays. Oh, also on the inside, this particular one has some metal weights down here, and they were whacking against this metal and making noise, so I put some rubber bumpers right there, not making such a metal noise now. And that is it. Oh, I could trim some of those off of there, make it look better. So thanks so much for joining me.